Alright, today we're going to do a video of our Okamoto surface grinder. It's a model ACC 2460EX. It's number 34012. I'm going to start the hydraulics. Hydraulics are very quiet. The machine's also equipped with an extra hydraulic oil chiller. The machine's equipped with a coolant system, over the head dresser. We'll start the grinding wheel. Grinding wheel's running. Jog your axes around. We'll start with the up and down of the head. Very quiet, nice and smooth. That's your in and out of the table. Again, also runs nice and smooth. We'll start your table reciprocation back and forth. That's varied. You can speed it up and slow it down. We're in the low setting of the table speed. You can switch it over to high. Go. She's doing a little faster now. You can see up here the over the head dresser. I'm just pulsing it right now. It is going up and down. Hard to show, but it is, you can hear it going up and down. Stop the table, show you the chuck works. It's a variable chuck. See, holding my knife. It's turned down quite a bit. Turn it up. Nice machine, runs nice. This ends the video. Thanks for watching.